Hey there, and welcome to Dollmotion. Yes, I'm back. After 8 months of absence, I'm going to give it another try on YouTube. I have a lot of new videos planned for you, but let's kick things off with a fun unboxing video. To be clear, I'm an adult toy collector, and this video will give information to other toy adult collectors. Okay. Today I have this miniature set from the brand Rolife or Robotime? Well, one of the two. From the Superstar series, I picked up this fantastic Bookstore set. And yes, I bought this myself, so this will be an honest review. So, let's have a look. This brand heavily leans on the DIY experience, as in you have to put this set together yourself. I've seen many wooden-based versions from this brand, but this is the first fully plastic one in the series. Okay, you get a lot of bags with numbers on them, showing you in which order you have to put them together. You also get tools, instructions, and a lot of stickers. The room is very easy to click together, with a grid system for the walls, which is a great base for customizers who like to switch out the walls and design their own room. But today we're going to follow the instructions. Very cute, you get your own power source. In the form of an air conditioning you have to attach on the outside. Yeah, I'll give them extra points for this design, I think it's very smart. Next up, the instructions tell me to fold vinyl records, so I can place them on shelves. Then we have a lot of furniture assembling to do. Yeah, this is a bit faster than assembling something from IKEA. Well, a bookstore can't really run without having, well, books. And wow, you get a lot of them alright. You do have to put the stickers on them yourself though. But you get a lot of variety in subjects, with a few references to popular pop culture. Some bookstores also sell writing supply, like ink and a typewriter. After assembling everything, it's time to decorate our bookstore. I will put everything as shown on the box, but the items can be placed how and wherever you want. But you can also stick them to your set with these stickers. And if you already have a miniature collection of yourself, you can also add those to your set. I mainly added items from remnant sets, which I collected over the years, and they are pretty much the same size. And speaking of the size, what are the measurements? If you're familiar with Sylvanian families, also known as Calico cutters in America, this is a perfect fit for them. With 15 centimeters in height and length, this set is about a 1:12 scale. Okay, let's talk about the lighting effects this set offers. Hiding on the air conditioning on the back, you can connect lights. Well, after feeding it some AAA batteries. The light we placed in the store can be controlled by tapping on the air conditioning. Also added to this set is a ceiling lamp. This can also be plugged into the light controller and can be turned on and off. The downside is you need another set or a roof expansion. But you do already get the attachment points though. which is very sneaky but also kinda smart marketing, because now you wanna have more sets. And for those who are interested in more from this series, you can also get a store, a market and a cafe, which is different depending where you buy it. As in there's a light and darker version. So, for who is this set? It's a great set for the, well, adult toy collector, who likes to make pictures from figurines or small dolls. And to be honest, for the miniature items alone, it's already worth the money, comparing it to a Remand set. But if you like a DIY experience, yeah, this set will probably disappoint you. Because the assemble time is about an hour and no glue or scissors are needed. So for a DIY experience, I would skip this set. And well, that was it for this unboxing/review. Tell me, would you like me to unbox more miniature sets from this series or something else? Let me know in the comment section. And for those who like to see more doll repaint videos, I'm happy to announce more repaint videos are coming to this channel. Yes, to fund this channel, I make exclusive repaint videos as a reward for my supporters. But these videos will no longer be exclusive. Let me explain. Every time I upload a new repaint video to Patreon, an old one will go to YouTube. So eventually, even the newest one will be uploaded to YouTube. With, well, a time cap of about 2 years. So you have to see it more as a early access. But that's not all. YouTube will also get its very own original doll repaint series. So stay tuned because it's going to be great. Before I go, I'd like to thank my lovely patrons of honor. Chelsea Panda Monkey, Cat Vanity, Kana Maru, and everyone else on Patreon and YouTube memberships. Thank you for your support. And thank you, yes, you, for watching. Don't forget to check my newly uploaded repaint videos on YouTube. And like always, like if you liked it and sub if you loved it. I will see you in the next video. Bye!